How to update IMO app on iPhone. Want the latest features? This guide shows you how to update the IMO app on iPhone so you can get the latest features and bug fixes. Go to the App Store on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen or by using the search bar. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type IMO. The official IMO app should appear at top of the screen. Look for the app with the IMO logo. If an update is available, you can see an update button next to it. So tap on it. Once you tap the update button, the update will start to download and install automatically. Once the app is updated to the latest version, the app will be updated to the latest version and you can enjoy the new features and bug fixes. You can also enable automatic updates for the app to ensure that you always have the latest version. You now know how to update the IMO app on iPhone. Get ready to enjoy the new features. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.